motorbike of yours isn't performing at its peak, why it's losing power, or why the brakes aren't as sharp as they used to be? The answer could be something as simple as regular maintenance, something that often slips our minds in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Welcome to a journey of understanding your motorbike better and learning how to keep it in top condition. Step 1. Regularly check the tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure can affect the bike's handling and braking and even fuel efficiency. Get into the habit of checking the tire pressure at least once a week and before any long rides. It's a small step that can make a massive difference to your bike's performance. Step 2. Keep an eye on the engine oil. It's the lifeblood of your motorbike, lubricating the engine and keeping it running smoothly. Make sure to replace the oil and the oil filter according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Remember, using the wrong oil can cause significant damage to your motorbike's engine. Step 3. Regularly clean and lubricate the chain. A dry or dirty chain can wear out faster and even break, which is a risk no rider wants to take. Use a good quality chain cleaner and lubricant, and remember to adjust the chain tension as needed. Step 4. Don't neglect the brakes. Check the brake pads for wear and replace them if needed. Also, remember to check the brake fluid level and replace it according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Good brakes can literally be a lifesaver. Step 5. Keep the battery in check. A poorly maintained battery can lead to starting problems or even damage the electrical system. Check the battery terminals regularly for any signs of corrosion and clean them if needed. Also, keep the battery fully charged, especially during colder months. Step 6. Regularly clean your motorbike. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about performance. Dirt and grime can clog up important parts and affect the bike's performance. Use a good quality motorcycle cleaner and remember to clean those hard-to-reach areas too. To wrap it all up, motorbike maintenance is all about regular checks and timely action. Keep a close eye on the tire pressure, the engine oil, the chain, the brakes, and the battery. Regularly clean your bike to keep it looking great and performing at its best. Remember, a well-maintained bike not only rides better but also lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. So, take out a little time from your schedule and give your motorbike the care it deserves. Your bike will thank you, and so will your wallet. Keep riding, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep your motorbike in top shape. Because the joy of riding a well-maintained bike is like no other. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy the ride.